Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Let me see the demo of secure deduplication with efficient and reliable convergent key management. Data deduplication is a technique for eliminating duplicate copies of data and has been widely used in cloud storage to reduce storage space and upload bandwidth. Promising as it is, a rising challenge is to perform secure deduplication in cloud storage. Although convergent encryption has been extensively adopted for secure deduplication, a critical issue of making convergent encryption practical is to efficiently and reliably manage huge number of convergent keys. This paper makes the first attempt to formally address the problem of achieving efficient and reliable key management in secure deduplication. We first introduce a baseline approach in which each user holds an independent master key for encrypting the convergent keys and outsourcing them to cloud. However, such a baseline key management scheme generates enormous amount of keys with increasing number of users and requires users to dedicatedly protect the master keys. To this end, we propose DKey, a new construction in which users do not need to manage key on their own, but instead of securely distribute convergent key shares across multiple servers. Security analysis demonstrate that DKey is secure in terms of definition specified in the proposed security model. As proof of concept, we implement DKey using RAM secret sharing scheme and demonstrate that DKey incurs limited overhead in realistic environments. First of all, the user has to select the file and generate the hash key for same file and create the tag and encrypt the data block using hash key and encrypt the hash key for security. After encrypting the file should be uploaded. In file level duplicate check, the file should be compared to cloud server. In block level duplicate, the block should be compared to cloud server. After comparison, the file should be uploaded. The file should be requested from user to cloud. The file should be received to user. The file received in user. After receiving the file, the user should be decrypt the file using hash key. After decrypting the hash key, the file should be decrypted by user. Let me run our process. First of all, user select the home page. First of all, authentication process is user has to join into the group. Registration successful and authentication should be performed by user. After authentication, The user should be upload the file into the cloud. First of all, user has to select the any one of the file and generate the hash key, generate the tag, encrypt the hash key, encrypt the file and upload. This is the cloud service provider. Cloud service provider receive the uploaded data. After uploading process, user should be again authenticated to download the file. After authentication, user has to download the file. User have to send request to cloud service provider. Receive the request. In received request, the cloud service provider receive the mail ID of user and validate the user and send response to user. Receive the request, receive the encrypted file and decrypt the hash key and decrypt the file. The access privilege deduplication process is made upon using file upload and block check. File duplicate and block duplicate. In first of all, file duplicate is checked. File selected and generate the tag and send tag to the cloud service provider. Receive the tag and send acknowledge to user. Receive the status. This is the duplicate file. After that, block level check is performed. User has to select the one of the file and segment the file into different blocks and select the one of the block and for generating the tag and send tag to cloud service provider. Cloud service provider check duplicate and send acknowledge to user. User receiving the acknowledgement. This is the duplicate block. Finally, compare the block size of before encryption and after encryption. That's all. Thank you.